Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video I have created this soft nudish and peachish sort of a look. So this is a very everyday sort of a look. You will need a very little amount of product, like you don't have to apply lots and lots of foundation or concealer or anything like that. So I have used a very little amount of product for today's look. As you can see, I have not applied lots and lots of product, and this is the look that you can do it on an everyday basis. It's a very nudish sort of a look that you can do it, and if you want to know how I have created this look, then keep on watching this video, and also don't forget to like it, comment and share it with your friends, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So without any more blabbering, let's move on to the video. Bye. So in an everyday makeup look, you don't need to apply lots and lots of product. You just need one primer, that too a little bit. Don't take lots and lots of primer because you don't need it actually. I'll be using this primer. This is from Blue Heaven. This is their perfect makeup base primer. I'll take just a little bit, not too much, because it's an everyday makeup look that you can do. So now we will use a foundation, but for foundation we won't use any kind of a high coverage or a medium coverage foundation. We will use a foundation which has a very sheer to medium coverage, not more than that. So for foundation I'll use this one. This is from Lakme. This is the Lakme 925 Primer Plus Matte Perfect Cover Foundation, and I'm in the shade Warm Sand. I won't take a lot. We will just take a little bit of it because no one would like to apply lots and lots of foundation on an everyday basis, because yeah, people don't apply lots and lots of foundation on an everyday basis. It does not look that good. So I'll take just a little bit on the back of my hand. I hate their packaging. Lakme has a very bad packaging, but still the foundation is decent enough. So I've taken this much. I'll just dot it on my face. Apply the foundation in a lesser quantity. Don't take it a lot of it, because then it won't look like that you have done an everyday makeup. I won't apply any more. This much is okay. Let's blend it out. Now we will apply a concealer, but a very little amount of it. I am using this one. This is from Wet n Wild, and I am in the shade Beige Clair. Oh, what's the shade? There are two names. I don't know what's my shade. God, there are two names written over it, so I don't know which one of them is the actual name of it. So we will take the concealer and we will apply just a little bit, not too much. That's it. We won't apply a lot of concealer because then again it will not look like an everyday makeup look. So that's it for the concealer. We won't apply any more, and now we will set it for setting it, I will use this one, this powder. This is from K Beauty. It has a very nice packaging, like it's not a messy packaging, it's a very nice powder. Like after the Fit Me loose powder, this one is my absolute favorite. I will just set those places where I have applied the concealer. I won't set my whole face. But if you are an oily skin type, then set your whole face. So my face is all set, and for the eyes, and we won't apply any dark color. So I am taking this palette. It has all sorts of neutral shades. This is from Mars Cosmetics in the variant Smoke It Up. And I'm going to take this shade right over in the middle, and I will apply it all over my lid. Now that's it with the eyeshadow. I won't apply a lot of it, and now I'll take this same shade and I'll just bronze up my nose a little bit, not those harsh two lines, just a little bit. That's it. This much is okay. Now I'll apply a blush, and for blush I'll be using a very peach nudish kind of a shade. I'll be using this blush. This is from L'Oreal. This is their Life's Peach. This is the shade name, I guess. The shade name is Life's a Peach from L'Oreal Paris. And this is how the shade looks. It's a very pretty shade. It's a peachish nudish sort of a shade. It looks very nice on your cheeks. I'll be using this, and we will apply a lot of blush. I will apply a lot of blush. Like, I prefer applying a lot of blush in my everyday makeup look because it gives me a natural sort of a look. A little bit on my nose as well. See, the color is so pretty. It's a nudish sort of a blush. It looks very pretty on fair skin tone as well as medium skin tone. I don't know about dusky skin tone, how will it look, but it looks great on fair skin tone as well as medium to dusky skin tone, I guess. A little bit on my nose and my chin as well. It gives a very natural sort of a look. So that's how my blush looks. And now it's time to fill in our eyebrows. For eyebrows, I'll be using this kit from Wet n Wild again. See, filling up your eyebrows is a very important part of your makeup. Like, if you want to do a glam makeup, then also you have to fill up your brows, and if you're doing an everyday kind of a look, then also you need to fill up your brows. So see the difference. This one is filled up and this is not yet filled. So my brows are also done, and now if you want, you can apply an eyeliner. I generally don't prefer using an eyeliner on an everyday basis, but I'll be using this eyeliner. This is not a black eyeliner, it's a brown eyeliner. It's from Stay Quirky. It's a very nice eyeliner. I'll be using this one only. So I have applied my eyeliner, and now I'll apply one brown kajal. This is again from Stay Quirky, and this is in the shade Lure Me Brown 5. I'll be using this in my waterline. So that's it for my eyes. I won't do anything on my eyes now. And now it's time for a lipstick. And for lipstick on an everyday basis, I think you should apply a nude lipstick, like any kind of a nude lipstick. It may be pink or brown or peach or any other nude shade. I will apply this lip crayon. This is a peachish sort of a lip crayon that I have, and this is from Purple, and this is in the shade From Strangers to Friends 05. The name is quite interesting. From Strangers to Friends. Yeah, it's quite interesting. I'll be using this lip shade. It's a very nice nude color. So this is how my lipstick looks, and now we will complete our everyday makeup look with a mascara. It's a very important step. You need to apply a mascara. Like, I don't apply an eyeliner. I just apply a little bit of brown kajal and one mascara. That's it, and I am good to go. I don't need an eyeliner. But if you want, you can obviously use it. It's up to you. But you need to apply a mascara. Like, it's a very, very important step. And the mascara I'm using is again from Maybelline, their Hyper Curl Mascara. So that's it for the look. You can apply a little bit of highlighter. Don't apply a lot of highlighter on your face. For highlighter, I am using this shade from the same eyeshadow palette because it's a very subtle kind of a shade. I think I will apply this, but a very little amount of it. That's it. I won't apply a lot of it. So this is the makeup look that I have created, and this look is a very soft kind of a look, soft, nudish, peachish sort of look. You can do it on an everyday basis. Like, if you are a college going girl, you can do this look. Like, just skip the eyeliner. I would say just don't apply the eyeliner because eyeliner does not look good on an everyday basis. Like, on an everyday basis, you should look very much presentable, like not a lot of foundation or a dark lipstick or a lot of eyeshadow. Like, it does not look good. According to me, it does not look good. Like, if you apply a red lipstick and you just go to your college or you are going to office and you are applying a red lipstick, like, it won't look good. You will become an odd one out of everyone. So you can do this look. This is a very nudish, peachish sort of a look. And so if you like this video, then don't forget to like, comment and share it with your friends, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you want to follow me on Instagram, my handle will be provided in the description box. You can definitely follow me on Instagram as well for some reels and all such stuffs. You know what I mean. Till then, bye bye, take care.